Have you ever tried to eat raw baby corns? Do you know that baby corns contains a lot of dietary fiber and also nutrient? Can we do something with it to consume daily? Good day to all. My name is Jayashree Selvam and my metric number is F18B0045. I am a student of Faculty of Agro-Based Industry in UMK. I found a solution to produce a favorite food product from young corn to be consumed by daily. Thus, the title for my final year project is Physiochemical Property of Young Corn Crackers and Different Particle Size of Young Corn Powder. Next is about the research background of this project. After wheat and rice, corn is a third most important cereal crop in this world. Young corn is one of the members of corn family. Furthermore, the snack food demand is also have been changed. Consumers are thought to be healthier in the future by choosing healthier food products. Based on this condition, in this project, we have modified the crackers by using dried baby corn powder to produce healthier food product to fulfill the consumer demand. In addition, drying technique has been used as a preservative technique to longer the shelf life of vegetable. This research is going to further analyze about the particle size of young corn powder will either affect the physiochemical property of the final product. Next is about the problem statement of this project. There are less number of snack food with high level of dietary fiber contained. So, consumer facing a lot of difficulties in finding a nutritious product. Next problem that is going to be stated is there are less number of food product based from young corn is being produced in the market. So these formulations can be a good one to be available in market to beat the demand. Next is about the hypothesis of this project. The null hypothesis of this project is there are no significant difference between the physiochemical changes of young corn crackers and the different particle size of young corn powder. And the alternative hypothesis is there are significant difference between physiochemical properties of young corn crackers and different particle size of young corn powder. Next is about the objective of this project. The first objective is to determine the suitable particle size of baby corn powder for crackers. Next objective is to determine the physiochemical properties of young corn crackers developed from different particle sizes. Last objective is to evaluate the sensory property of young corn crackers developed from different particle sizes. Next, let's get into the next chapter. Chapter name is Literature Review. First, do you all know about what is baby corn? Baby corn is known as ear of maize and it's also named as baby corn, mini corn and also candle corn. It's scientifically known as Z-maize. Next, the characteristic of baby corn is it is green, smooth, tasty, nutritious, palatable and high digestibility characterized. Next, the nutritive profile of baby corn. Baby corn is a low-calorie vegetable and it is high in fiber and mineral. Next, about the utilization of baby corn. Baby corn can be eaten raw or fried. Continued with the utilization of dry powder into food product. The powder of vegetable and fruits were frequently used as intermediate ingredient for practical food additive to enhance the nutritional status of a foodstuff. The dehydration technique of vegetable. Vegetables are dehydrated to retain the nutrient and also the flavor. Next, it's to maintain the quality of the vegetable. The techniques such as blanching, treatment of acid, be frequently has been used. At last, about the young corn flour particle size. The lower the particle size of a baby corn flour, it will reduce the level of fiber content. At last, the baby corn flour with high number of passes through into a seed, it will have a lighter color towards yellowish white, and it have a smaller bulk density. Finally, it is rise in oil absorption. As a last part of literature review, I would like to continue about crackers. Crackers defined as a biscuit with flaky inner walls. Crackers have contained a moderate amount of salt, fat, and also sugar. Next is about the snack food demand. Snack food demand has been a challenging task because they must satisfy the customers' expectations and also taste, such as healthy food for their well-being and rich soy protein and also distinct flavor. The functional property of dietary fiber, gyroscopicity has a significant impact on the dough characteristic like cohesiveness, springiness, hardness, baking characteristic, and also stability. The porous surface of dietary fiber can serve as an active carbon, resulting in high water absorption. Thus, this will improve the cooking property of oil flour-based product. As a last part of literature review, healthy food product, plant-based product is also categorized as healthy food product because it contains macronutrients, phytonutrients, and also micronutrients. Apart from that, I would like to continue with the next chapter, which is methodology. Moving to the next part, young corn collection will be carried out a small procedure. The first step is 100 gram of small cob will be collected from jelly wet market, and the next step is the small cob will be separated from the silk and husk, and at last step the cob will be cleaned by using water and also chopped into a smaller size by using chopping board and knife. Moving to the next part, the preparations of dried young corn powder. The chopped young corn were dried into 55 degrees Celsius for 2 days by using oven. The next step, to extract the young corn powder, the dried sample were ground by using an electrical grinder, and then the next step is by using the shift machine, the dried young corn powder were separated into 3 particles by using the mesh number 40, 50 and 80, and the last part is the 3 young corn flour were kept separately by using screw cap bottles and stored in 4 degrees Celsius for further analysis. Moving to the next part, the butter crackers were prepared by using the procedure above. The next step is the sensory evaluation. Sensory evaluation will be carried out by untrained panelists, and it also will be compared with the commercialized vegetable crackers. At last, the data will be analyzed by SPSS software. Next, there are 5 physiochemical properties were analyzed in this final year project. The first one is textural profile analysis. It's used to determine the textural property of young corn crackers or attributes of hardness. Next analysis is the determination of color. The color measurement of crackers is used as an indirect measure of consistency such as taste, flavor, texture, content. The next analysis to be done is fat analysis. This analysis is done by the help of Soxhlet method. Next analysis is fiber analysis. The fiber analysis were used to find the fiber content of the crackers, and it's used to done by the fiber analyzer. The next analysis is moisture content. These analyses were also used to find the moisture content of the crackers, and it's used to find by moisture analyzer. In the next slide, the Gantt chart of this project has been shown, and then at last, the budget of this project is around Rm 94 ringgit and 18 cent.